Hi guys! Unbox with me? Sorry, I was super excited kasi that day kasi this is my first iPad like ever. It's an iPad Air 5 with 256GB storage. It's a space gray and girl, it's so ganda. So mahal din. I actually filmed this 3 months, almost 3 months ago. And girl, sorry talaga. Ito yung laman ng box niya. We have the charger and some more cartons and all. But I got other accessories from Goodnotes. So I have tempered glass, I have a magic keyboard, I have pen, and funny story, 3 times na akong bumili ng pen kasi laging nawawala. Magnetic naman siya. So, ako lang din yung may kasalanan. And this is the magic keyboard. Super bigat. So, everyday, dala-dala ko siya. Everyday, masakit din yung aking shoulders. But that's okay. As soon as I have my keyboard, I can write my drafts for the blog. I can do my art, my anything. Kung ano pang justifications na masasabi ko in this blog. So, yeah. That's it.
I bought an iPad. I am super excited because this is my first iPad. This is not my first time buying an iPad. I bought an iPad for Nemo and this is my first iPad. It's an iPad Air 5. Medyo natagalan na bumili ako ng iPad because I was not able to justify it for myself. Kasi it's not actually a need for me. Bakit ako bumili? Na budol ako. Budol talaga is, ewan ko ba? But now, I'm using it for my art, for my journal. I use it for reading. I use it for BYOM, for work. What else? What else? I need more. This is basically my computer na my personal computer. Kasi my old laptop, my old MacBook is not working well anymore. So, eto. Because I cannot use my work laptop din naman for personal use. The information security is a bit more strict na these days. So, yeah. And also, I got a magic keyboard from Goodnotes. This is almost the same with the iPad Magic Keyboard. Ang difference lang niya, I guess, is this one. Sa Apple, hindi dito yung key niya and yung charging port niya. But yeah, it works fine. It works well. It's just medyo mabigat compared to the iPad alone. Kasi this is an Air, so medyo anyways, in this vlog, I will try to film my reading or kahit a bit of it lang how I start my reading using Goodnotes. No, this is not a sponsored video but I love Goodnotes since I discovered them. Yun na yung ginagamit ko for journals, for monitoring din ng, personal tracker. There's also books and policies like and laws na dito ko din ginagamit or dito rin ako nagbabasa because I like the highlights more there, and we have a lot more colors compared to Kindle, and also I love that I can write on it on the pages. I am reading a classic from George Eliot. It's the Middlemarch. Medyo mahaba siya, yes. But I don't have a physical copy, so I thought, tingnan natin kung mas okay siyang basahin sa iPad with Goodnotes. So far, wala pa akong na-absorb, but it's the weekend already. Happy Friday if you hear the kids playing outside, it's because tomorrow is not a school day. Anyways, everyday naman naglalaro sila dyan. But yeah, it's Friday today. It's the weekend, so I will try to read more here. Although I am also reading a couple of books. I have one physical book na binabasa and on my Kindle as well. But yeah, my focus for this weekend is a bit of a progress on Middlemarch and also a quick sharing on how is my experience will be with Goodnotes reading a PDF book. Sige lang, laro lang kayo dyan. It's 5:10 p.m. and kakatapos ko lang mag-work. Kakalabas ko lang ng meeting. I am currently listening on a podcast from Mimay and Grace. Kung hindi ninyo alam yun and you're a fan of horror stories and podcasts, horror stuff, this is one fun podcast na you should follow. Hi guys, just to update you on give you an update on my reading via Goodnotes. Well, it's not for me. I really don't, draw and sketch, doodle, etc. But not for ang hirap explain kasi I also want to doodle and highlight and annotate books, but maybe not on an iPad. It's too big. You need a proper table, a seat, para makapag-annotate ka, which is not very much convenient for me because I'm always outside, I'm always traveling, but I just cannot. I cannot. I actually skipped the Middlemarch just because I cannot do this anymore. I picked up like a couple of physical books. I picked up my Kindle na. I read, 3-4 books already. Pero na-skip ko na sa Middlemarch kasi nga nahirapan ako. Sabi ko, pinupause ko lang siya, pinuput on hold ko because I thought I could do this pero hindi pala. Today is the day na I need to give up. I need to stop forcing myself doing the things that I'm not enjoying. Siguro ako talaga yung taon for physical and Kindle books lang nag-enjoy. Sino kasi nagsabing sa iPad? Anyways, just to give you an idea how I use my iPad, I'll show you like how I do my spread, my journal spread. Alright, so this is my spread and I have the weekly spread lang. Just a tiny narrow column per day para lang parang brain dump siya, thoughts dump or whatever. And normally I like putting the date here.
It's RSM.
I can actually connect my Kindle app, my Kindle device to the iPad. And what I will do lang is go to Files, then open my Kindle. If you're wondering how do we save screenshots sa ating Kindle is punta lang kayo sa Kindle mo and then tap the two corners nasa taas and nasa baba. Pwede rin ganyan. But normally ganito yung side ko. And then, yeah, screenshots na siya. When you got your screenshots na just connected, this is the charging cable na aking iPad. So, gumagana naman siya to transfer files. And then, you have to select your Kindle and then save your files. What's good about this is it's super linaw. This is what happens when I write on my journal. I cry. Kasi, I don't know, I get emotional. Of course, I cannot finish this now kasi tapos may dalawa pang days na natitira. So, I'll just let you see the other spreads, other weeks. I don't know.
Here's one spread na may namiss akong dalawa. But this is the itsura. Whatever. But look at those texts. Ang dami kong vent dyan. Vent, rant, and all. So normally, I have photos, I have lettering, sticker na ginawa ko sa Procreate. And, yep, sorry, this is a voice over. Hindi ko na alam yung sinasabi ko dyan kasi naka-off pala yung mic, mga bestie. So, ayan, parang mga blank na yung iba. And this is the most successful spread that I have this year. Diba? Ang ganda. I have photos, I have like handwriting. Although sa mga text, para lang maayos siya tingnan, naka-type siya. Typewritten siya. Mahilig talaga ako mag-take ng snaps. Like, for example, ito, yan yung first time na pumila si Nemo para magbayad ng sarili niyang libro. Ito naman yung book na pinabasa ko, That Week. And ito, may mga ginawa kong pictures or drawing ng mukha ko for work, pero nag-iba na kasi ako ng hair. So, hindi ko alam, kailangan ko bang i-redraw yan? I don't know, hindi ko pa nagagawa yan, des. And then, ito, nakita ko lang sa Pinterest kasi namimiss ko mag-camp. Ito is my favorite drink sa Jayco, the Jayco Chino, the classic one. And then, this whole weekend is the trip to Pampanga. I think na-share ko na siya sa YouTube, sa vlog ko. Basically, I journal yung mga sentimental and personal stories of my life.
So yeah, that's basically it. Did I achieve my goal for this vlog? I don't know. I'm not sure. I can say yes. But at least I was able to share to you guys how I use Goodnotes and how I use my iPad. So sana entertaining pa rin kahit papano. And if you're planning to buy an iPad, this is your sign na wag muna if it's not really a need for you pa to buy kasi masyadong magastos. Masyado siyang mahal if you're not using it na sulit na sulit. But if you think you can use it or you will use it for different things na magiging useful siya for you every day, go lang. It's a good investment if that's the case. So, yep, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.